little girl with dreams.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you can hear me, but yes, it's finally the weekend. So this is gonna be a 4-day weekend, but today is Saturday and we're here at Hilton Rosehall in Montego Bay. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm up to for the weekend. I'll be vlogging most of the time. I'm trying to have some fun, so I probably won't vlog every single thing, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share please. But yeah, stay tuned for the fun and excitement and all the food. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna show all the food and I'm gonna eat all the food. I'm so ready. I can't wait. I am so ready. No man, the sun I'm going though. This is what I like, because all week it has been raining. I'm praying that it doesn't rain at all. Like what you say you want the sun to touch off your skin. Yes, one straight sun. No rain, not even clouds, just sun. Because we're here to have some fun. But we're here. Oh, by the way, you guys know, at this point she's my travel buddy. At this point, you've been in all the most of the vlogs. But yeah, we're probably going to pair with 2 other girls. Yeah, because we met them. So we don't call people names. But yeah, we're going to pair with 2 other girls, so they'll be in the vlog. So yeah, just stay tuned for the fun. Oh, by the way, I have to pick up my package. Okay, you guys will see that in the vlog before this one. I'm probably going to put up that vlog first, so you see the package issues in that vlog. So yeah, peace. So I got a little bit of everything: patty, nuggets, mashed potato fries, chicken, and then some shrimp and chicken Alfredo pasta. You know how long I stand up in the line for this pasta? Taking some of our heritage for the non-Jamaican people. Please focus. The glare. Flag. Wanna know about this? Nothing. Heroes Day is Monday, but our national heroes, big up Nanny every time. Hello. How much are the hats? What's this? Fruit bowl. You made it? Nice. What's your name? Harris. Oh, nice to meet you, Harris. Hello, hello. Hi, what's your name? Leroy. Chanel. How much you sell it for?
Like we have kids for like 10 and 12.
Mm-hmm.
Adult, small, medium, and large. Breakfast for $15.
Mm-hmm.
Extra large up to 3 existing.
Don't know. Alright.
Okay.
This is your station, no?
No,
Is rain that much for you? Wow, what's your name?
my name is Silon. Silon.
Silon? Nice Silon, you're talented man.
Yeah, man, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, man. And if you see anything that you like over there, you take it up, no problem. You're a good price, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Remember when we asked for some for scotch over skin? I'ma take it back. I'ma take it back because I can't even open my eye. All over. No, we're not getting no. Wanna check in?
Yeah, we did. We did like a second.
What's up, mom?
Yeah, we want to check in because first time we get to.
Jeez, alright.
Alright, tell us to
So when you first come in, bare mirrors. Bare mirrors. And then you have the bathroom. We just got like a regular room. So, yes, sir. So, what the light for in here? There's no light? Oh, that. So, we have 2 beds because obviously it's 2 of us. We have the TV. Turn on the light for me, please. Never mind. And then, which way is open? We around see mama show the people in the fridge. We have a fridge with complimentary stuff. Soda, won't be drinking those. But we have water, apple juice, Sprite, Coca-Cola, and I think that's Coke Zero. And then beer. I don't really like beer. More water. And then a little coffee station. More mirrors. Is there a balcony? Yup. Let's see what kind of view we get. Oh, the view is actually good. Why you open this? The struggle is real. Oh. All I can tell. Oh, you own this. Oh. And then this is the balcony. Oh god, we actually have a really good view. Look at this view. Is that rain? Yep. But this is a really good view. This might be this is not it for today because we're going to dinner. We probably just take a nap, then go dinner, and then maybe like a club. They have a club here. Should them have club? Yeah. And then do something tonight, I guess. So yeah, today is just a chill day because you know we're coming from far. It's like no, it's not like we're going to a whole new country. Just a chill today. I'm I'm ready for tomorrow. So I can have some fun because I need it. You guys not see me turn up before. When always see me chilling. So that will be oil like this. No, sir. A summer week? No, I can't summer week. My word. Alright, man, look off this.